Hello, I'm recording this quick video on how I fixed my Honeywell Quicksteam Humidifier. It would not turn on when I would plug it on the power outlet. So I'll show you what I fixed, and hopefully that will solve your issue as well. So first thing, I had the unit cleaned up. Tartar can accumulate in here, so you can clean that with some vinegar. This time around I did a more thorough clean, so I dismounted the heating element by unscrewing it from the bottom. That was not enough. I mean, that didn't do the trick for me. So there's a few more things you can check in the base here. I mean, the wiring is plugged properly, and you can check for continuity with a multimeter. Maybe more importantly, there's a micro switch behind this small board here, and actually this is actuated with a plunger that's right here. So when this is pushed by the tower here, it's going to activate the switch. It will click, and you should get some continuity between these two poles, so you can test for that. In my case, it didn't fix the issue, so I had to look at what was going up in the tower. And there's a circuit board in there. On that side of the circuit board, you can see that there is a fuse. In my case, it was not operated. We cannot see very clearly on the camera, but maybe now we do. So this was fine, and I could not see any damage on this side of the board. However, on the other side, where there is some paste residue here, I saw this capacitor that was compromised. So this is what I'm gonna be replacing, and I will report if that fixed it for me. So I have ordered FM capacitors to replace this one. It's a 2.2 microfarad capacitor. At 250 volts we can't see super clearly, but with the eye the reading is clear. Hopefully that helps you.